Here's a strategy that can be used to remember that capital X and a small e is the chemical symbol for xenon. Okay, Xenon or xenon. Capital X, E, N, O, N. Xenon or xenon. And let me tell you, capital X and a small e is the chemical symbol for the element, xenon. I found a method that will work. Maybe you can use this method. I think it's a good one. And I want you to look at the atomic number too as I show you my method. 54 boxes of xenon foxes. 54 boxes of xenon foxes. What kind of fox you find in the box? You find xenon foxes. Okay? 54 is the atomic number of xenon, or capital X and small e. Here it is again, 54, 5 into 4. 54 is the atomic number of xenon, okay? Now let's look at the boxes and the foxes. Boxes is capital B, O, capital O, X, a small e and the S for boxes. And foxes, capital F, O, X, E, S. Okay? Okay? That's a good memorization. Boxes and foxes. Now, if you look at the atomic number, B is for boron, and capital F is for fluorine. Boron is number 5, fluorine is number 9, but the rest of the spelling is the same number. So you got 8, 54, 16 here. You got 8, 54, and 16 there. 8, 54, and 16 here, and the same thing over here. The only difference is the box that the boron is number 5, and the F for fluorine is number 9. That's the only difference. Okay? So the foxes were xenon foxes. Okay? And there you have a good method for remembering the atomic number and the chemical symbols and the element of xenon. 54, like I said, I want to repeat it. 54 is the atomic number. Boxes, because why boxes? Because you have the X and the E right here in boxes, and xenon foxes. Again, you have the XE right here in foxes. Boxes and foxes, and it's spelled the same way except for the F in foxes and the B in boxes. Okay, so here it is again. Boxes and foxes, all the same except for the B and the F. I come to a number all the same. They rerun each other. Okay, so what kind of foxes are in the boxes? Well, there are special foxes called xenon foxes or xenon foxes. Okay, so you got 54 boxes of xenon foxes, and there you have a good method of studying the element xenon. Capital XE is the chemical symbol, 50 and 54 is the atomic number of XE. And there you have it. So I'll repeat it one more time. If you want to remember that capital X and small e is for xenon, here's a good way to remember that and have the atomic number too. 54 boxes. Notice the X and E right here of xenon, XE, and the element's name. Foxes. Okay, you got the X and the E again, right here. So if you rewrite it, it's going to be this way. Capital B, capital O, capital X, a small e, capital S. Capital F, capital O, capital X, and a small e, and a capital S. Everything here is the same. A good method, right? So remember that. If you want to use this method of mine, go ahead. Okay? But this is a good way to remember the XE is for xenon. and 54 is the atomic number, okay? Boxes, so you got it? Yeah, boxes and foxes have the XE in both of them. See it? Okay? 54 boxes of Xenon foxes. Okay? Now, if you want to use the atomic number for the of OF, you can do that too. You could put a 8 for oxygen and a 9 for fluorine. As you can see, the F right here. F is 9. So you have it here too. 54 boxes. And then you have of Xenon foxes. You can also do the of OF. So it's 8 and 9. Okay? If you want to fill the whole thing with atomic numbers. All right? Okay, there you go. A good strategy and a good method for studying and remembering. All right? Have a good day. Over and out. Bye-bye.